Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, October the 5th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have the Your Phone Companion app on Android that apparently is the top of the chart in trending apps, showing that the interest in your phone app and your phone in Windows 10 is actually quite high. A lot of people are installing this. Of course, it lets you text from your computer, but also easily share the pictures that are on your phone. Well, if you were thinking of fixing your new Mac yourself, well, a software lock makes it impossible to have third-party repairs of MacBook Pros. Only the authorized dealers with the Diagnostic Software Toolkit 2 can actually repair these, because if you do change something, once you actually put it back together, your Mac won't start unless you have that software. It seems that the Windows 10 October 2018 update is having a few problems. One of them, it would seem that some of the users found themselves with a broken browser in Microsoft Edge, freezes, crashes, and often refuses to start, among other problems that have been reported in the past few days. Of course, we'll have an updated video on the situation today. Bloomberg has released a news item that is really shaking the tech world. It's saying that a small chip is actually anonymously sending, data to China to spy on big companies. But it would be apparently in the Chinese super micro servers. Amazon and Apple, who have some of these, say, nope, this really is not true and it's not happening. So is it fake news, or is it that Apple and Amazon just don't want to talk about it? It's kind of interesting. Samsung is going to declare record profits for the third quarter, and basically 20% year-over-year rise in the not just the revenue but the profits. Even though the Galaxy S9 and Note 9 sales seem to be slow, it seems that the screen and chips division probably is making it really work. Google is, of course, being criticized for its Chinese Dragonfly search engine. White House is asking Google to abandon its controversial Chinese engine. The app called Dragonfly will tie users to actual search, and this creates a big problem for many people for the privacy reasons, and even Google's own employees. Well, if you're looking for a career opportunity, a study is looking at the next 5-year job market, and they seem to point out that millions of good paying IT jobs are for grabs in the next 5 years, and that there's a problem getting qualified people. So hey, why not go back to school and learn IT? Telltale Games, we were talking last week or 2 weeks ago, had 250 employees. They had, of course, just laid off 225 of them. Well, now a former employee on his Twitter feed said, no, there's really no more employees left. So it's really zero, the real number. And it's sad because the troubled company will never have sequels to some of the best adventure games that were out there. Well, a study is looking at Twitter to kind of see if it fixed the fake news problems since the 2016 elections. It seems that not much has been done. According to the study, 80% of the fake news sites that were in 2016, the fake news accounts, are still active today, and millions of people are seeing these fake news every day on Twitter. It seems that they're not really working very hard to remove them. 259 people have been killed by selfies in the past few years, and this is of course by doing selfies in the wrong way. Well, the top 2 ways to die, apparently by drowning, so selfies taken at the beach, next to waterfalls, to rivers and lakes and so on, is the #1 cause. The second one, killed by trains. Yep, it seems like taking selfies on tracks as the train is coming is another way of killing yourself. And the last statistic there, 90% of those killed have under 25 years of age. And finally, if you're Well, a parent, you got children, better watch that addiction to your phone. It seems that if you're one of those parents that are addicted to the phone, your kids really hate it. And when all you do is look at your phone screen rather than looking at your kids or even chatting with them, it seems that your kids are really annoyed. So maybe put that phone away and have a little more family gathering. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, October the 5th, 2018. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.